Welcome to local lectures. This is Dharmaji. Today our topic is Boyle's law. Boyle's law states that Boyle's law states that at constant temperature at constant temperature the volume occupied the volume occupied by the perfect gas changes inversely proportional to inversely proportional to inversely proportional to its absolute pressure its absolute pressure. Boyle's law states that at constant temperature the volume occupied by the perfect gas is also called as ideal gas, changes inversely proportional to its absolute pressure. If volume increases to maintain pressure as constant, the pressure will decrease. If the volume decreases to maintain temperature as constant, the pressure will increases. Therefore, according to Boyle's law, the volume occupied by the ideal gas inversely proportional to the absolute pressure of the perfect gas. That means V is inversely proportional to pressure of the perfect gas. This is called Boyle's law. Therefore V into P is equal to constant. V into P is equal to constant. It means the product of volume occupied by the perfect gas and absolute pressure of the perfect gas is always constant at each state of the process is called Boyle's law. Understand? Therefore, for example, if I draw PV diagram for this Boyle's law, I take pressure on the y-axis and volume occupied by the gas on the x-axis. So, for example, the initial state of the perfect gas is called state 1. At state 1, the properties of the perfect gas is pressure P1 and that pressure is absolute pressure, volume V1. According to Boyle's law, at constant temperature, the system changes its properties from one state to another state is called process. So, according to Boyle's law, the system changes from state 1 to state 2, according to Boyle's law. Here, the properties of the system at state 2 volume of the system V2 and pressure of the system, the absolute pressure of the system P2. Here the pressure increases, it results the volume is decreases, and if the pressure decreases, the volume increases. So this type of process, that means this type of change of state from initial state to the another state is called Boyle's law. Boyle's law. So the shape of the path, it depends on the equation, that is Vp is equal to constant. The Vp is equal to constant is just like as the rectangular hyperbola equation. The Vp is equal to constant represents the equation of rectangular hyperbola. So the path is also shown as in the rectangular hyperbola. So the system changes its properties from state 1 to state 2 in the rectangular hyperbolic path. So PV is equal to constant. PV is equal to constant. So that according to this equation, Vp is equal to constant. That means volume occupied by the perfect gas, the product of volume occupied by the perfect gas and absolute pressure of the perfect gas is always constant in between state 1 and state 2. Therefore at state 1 and state 2, the product of Vp is constant, always constant. Therefore it is also written like as V1 P1 is equal to V2 P2 is equal to and so on. Here I mentioned two states, that's why I represented here V1 P1 is equal to V2 P2. This means the product of volume and absolute pressure of the perfect gas at state 1 is always equal to the volume and the absolute pressure of the product of volume and absolute pressure of the system at state 2.
The animated video displayed on the board consists of pressure gauge and temperature gauge. The volume of the ideal gas varies inversely proportional to the pressure. To maintain constant temperature during heat supply is called Boyle's law.